Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world, and SzaZs just keep bringing the noise. I'm telling you, he keeps doing it and doing it well. This guy creates some of the baddest digital watch faces out there. But let's have a look at it, right? The name of it is called Vivid Sport. It's a very nice looking digital watch face. I'm giving the guy 3 thumbs up in the door for creativity on this watch face. Now in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. It's going to be in bold digital numbers, not a bad look at all. Once the watch face is on, here's where a digital watch face really starts to look good. And yes, people, this is going to be a dressed down watch face, an everyday watch face, and more importantly, a weekday watch face. All right, so with that being said, let's have a look at it. Up at the top right, you're going to get, of course, your months. Is going to highlight it to let you know what month it is. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your days of the week. It's going to highlight what day of the week it is. You are going to get a nice second hand that's going to smoothly be going around the bezel of the watch, which really looks good. Up at the top, you will get your date across up from it. You are going to get the weeks that we are into the month. And then you will get your battery percentage here, heart rate, a nice big bold digital time. I like the look of the font. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your calories burned, step status info. As you can see, people, I've been nowhere, still resting up on the foot. It's getting better every day. Down at the bottom, you will get floors climbed and also how many miles you walked or ran. So this is really a good look out of a watch face. And yes, people, it is interactive as well. So if I tap here, I can't get my calendar. Here, you're going to get your heart rate information. And then here, you will get your shortcuts. He gives you 2 in all, people, which I thought was pretty cool. Make your watch face just that much more convenient. I thought my man really did a great job with this watch face. But let's check this out, right? Down at the bottom, there's still more customization. So if you don't like that white theme, you can change the color theme of the days of the week and your months that's going around the bezel of the watch. This is definitely a good look by SzaZs. SzaZs, continue, man. Do not stop. Whatever you do, do not stop, right? And let me let it land on a lighter one. How about that red? That'd be good. I'm telling you, this one is worthy of a download for a digital watch face in the Gear Manager store. So I'm going to cycle through a few of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. I thought my man did an excellent job. Check this out. Check this out. I'm telling you, I'm loving it. Listen, people, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.